Looking for a dependable used car that won't break the bank? Toyota's long-standing reputation for reliability makes it a top choice. But not every used Toyota is a smart buy. Under $20,000, you can find gems that deliver years of worry-free driving, and a few that turn into expensive headaches. In this guide, we'll sort the real value picks from the models that might cost more than they're worth. If you want used Toyota recommendations you can trust, you're in the right place. Today, we will talk about best used Toyotas, under $20,000, smart buys versus money pits. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Best used Toyotas, under $20,000. Smart buys versus money pits. Toyota has long been a top choice for buyers seeking reliability, longevity, and value retention in their vehicles. In the used market, Toyotas often stand out for their ability to combine dependability with reasonable ownership costs, making them ideal choices under a $20,000 budget. However, not all used Toyotas are created equal. Some models remain smart buys that continue delivering strong value decades after their release, while others can surprise owners with hidden maintenance costs and reliability concerns if not carefully evaluated. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore a range of Toyota models that typically fall under $20,000 in the used market and separate the smart buys from the potential money pits. We'll examine key reliability factors, common problem areas, maintenance costs, and year-by-year considerations that help buyers make informed decisions. Whether you're searching for a daily commuter, family SUV, or practical wagon, understanding which Toyotas hold up best in the long run and which ones demand caution will help you stretch your budget further and avoid costly surprises down the road. 2. What makes a Toyota a smart buy? Under $20,000. When evaluating used Toyotas under a $20,000 budget, several key factors contribute to a vehicle being a genuine smart buy. First and foremost, reliability and a proven track record of longevity are crucial. Toyota's engineering emphasis on simple, robust powertrains and conservative design choices have led many models to achieve extremely high mileage with minimal major repairs. Low total cost of ownership, meaning affordable routine maintenance, available parts, and high resale values, is another hallmark of a smart used buy. A strong maintenance history with documented service records significantly increases the chances of a Toyota continuing to perform well after purchase. Additionally, owners should look for models with a reputation for durable components, such as sturdy engine designs, reliable transmissions, and minimal electronic complexity. Practical features like fuel efficiency, affordable insurance, and solid safety ratings further enhance value. Conversely, vehicles that have been modified excessively, show signs of neglect, or have unclear ownership histories are more likely to become money pits. By understanding these criteria, buyers can focus their search on models most likely to deliver long-term satisfaction within the $20,000 price range. 3. Smart buy, Toyota Corolla 2009 to 2018. The Toyota Corolla is one of the most reliable compact cars ever made, and used examples from the 2009 to 2018 model years frequently appear under $20,000 with reasonable mileage. Known for its fuel efficiency, low maintenance costs, and comfortable daily driving experience, the Corolla represents a quintessential smart used buy. These model years benefit from simple yet durable four-cylinder engines, transmissions that rarely present major issues, and a chassis that prioritizes longevity over sporty dynamics. Repair costs for routine components like brakes, tires, and suspension parts remain affordable thanks to Toyota's global parts availability, and common issues like minor electrical quirks or sensor warnings seldom result in expensive repairs. Furthermore, the Corolla's strong resale value means that well-maintained examples hold their value better than many competitors in the compact class. For buyers who need a dependable commuter car with minimal ownership headaches, a properly maintained Corolla under $20,000 is an excellent choice. Always check for complete service records, verify timing belt or chain status depending on the exact model, and ensure routine maintenance has been performed. When chosen carefully, these Corollas remain reliable, efficient companions for many years beyond purchase. 4. Smart buy, Toyota Camry 2010 to 2017. The Toyota Camry stands out as one of the most trusted midsize sedans in automotive history, and used models from 2010 to 2017 frequently fall under the $20,000 threshold while offering exceptional reliability. These Camrys are praised for smooth, durable engines, particularly the 4-cylinder 2.5-liter and V6 3.5-liter units, as well as transmissions that are regarded as long-lasting when serviced correctly. Strong build quality, generous cabin space, and a comfortable ride make the Camry a solid choice for family use, long commutes, and daily driving. Maintenance costs tend to be lower than average for a vehicle of its size, and common wear items such as brake pads and struts are widely available and inexpensive. Owners often report reaching 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major issues when routine servicing is maintained. Hybrid Camry models from these years also offer excellent fuel economy with solid reliability, though potential buyers should verify hybrid battery health and service history. A used Camry with a documented maintenance record, clean title, and no major accidents delivers one of the best balances of value, comfort, and long-term dependability under $20,000. It's a smart, safe choice for buyers looking for enduring performance. 5. Smart Buy Toyota RAV4, 2006 to 2014. Compact SUVs are highly desirable in the used market, and the Toyota RAV4 from the 2006 to 2014 generations often lands under $20,000 while still delivering Toyota's trademark reliability. These RAV4s are known for durable 4-cylinder and optional V6 engines, practical cargo space, and straightforward all-wheel drive systems that provide added traction without incurring major maintenance issues when properly serviced. Routine maintenance costs remain reasonable, and parts availability is excellent thanks to the model's popularity. While earlier examples may show signs of age, such as worn suspension components or cosmetic wear, well-maintained RAV4s continue to be solid daily drivers for families or outdoor enthusiasts. Fuel economy is competitive for the class, and the practical size makes parking and city driving easy. As with any used vehicle, a thorough pre-purchase inspection is essential to identify potential rust, suspension wear, or past accident damage. When chosen with care and supported by a good service history, a used RAV4 under $20,000 can offer 5-seat versatility, Toyota reliability, and years of dependable service, making it one of the standout smart buys in the compact SUV segment. 6. Money Pit Toyota Tacoma, older high-mileage examples. The Toyota Tacoma has a legendary reputation for durability, but caution is warranted when shopping for older high-mileage examples under $20,000. While many Tacomas do achieve extremely high mileage with strong reliability, those with significant wear, heavy off-road use, or unclear service histories can transform into money pits. Older Tacomas with lifted suspensions, oversized tires, or aftermarket modifications often have accelerated wear on drivetrain components, wheel bearings, and alignment systems. Additionally, frequent towing, rough terrain use, or severe duty without proper maintenance can stress the transmission, transfer case, and engine mounts. Replacement of worn drivetrain parts, differential seals, or suspension components can quickly escalate in cost, especially at higher mileages. Buyers should also watch for rust around the frame, undercarriage, and rocker panels, as corrosion repair is expensive and can compromise structural integrity. A Tacoma with a clear maintenance history and signs of gentle use can still be a worthwhile buy under $20,000, but models showing signs of heavy abuse or deferred maintenance should be avoided unless you're prepared for substantial repair costs. Tacoma buyers must exercise caution and prioritize inspection reports to avoid the pitfalls of rough service histories. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.